Welcome back. Now that your video is in place, we can then fill in the other information that the ad platform needs. We're first going to write in the final URL. We're then going to fill in our call to action. We're then going to write in our headline. You can add in a companion banner, and YouTube will auto-generate that banner, or you can upload an image. If you choose to upload an image, you'll need to make sure that image is going to be 300 by 60 pixels. For the sake of this video, we are going to auto-generate the banner. We are going to give the advertisement a name. And you can see what your ad will look like here in this area. And you can preview the ad on YouTube. Now we have the sound turned off, but you can see how the ad will actually look here on YouTube when it is going to be played. What we can now do is click Create Campaign. And we can now continue to our campaign. Now, for the sake of this video, we're just going to pause the ad group. However, when you'd be ready to run your advertisement, you can then run the advertisement. You will need to have your payment account funded, and then your ad will go through an approval process to determine if it's acceptable for the Google Ad platform. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.